Hey, welcome to another broadcast of Master Investors Company. Glad to be here again. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. We're going to be doing the 15-minute challenge workout. Remember, 3 steps. First, 15 minutes per day. Second, clean diet. And number 3, make sure you take the supplements that we're recommending so it enhances your step 1 and 2. Okay, everything's going to be natural and organic, and make sure you get it done every single day. 15 minutes. Make sure your diet is clean and you're taking supplements to help you perform better and also help you gain muscle and strength, okay? And help you also recover, because we need recovery. So, subscribe to the channel. Check out the other playlists we have. We're gonna be starting now. Also, a stretch before you start. Remember, I already did. And stretch at the end. And if you can do cardio in between your workout, then perfect. If not, then do it after, okay? We're doing 3 sets of everything. So each exercise that we choose, we're gonna be doing 3 sets. It's all about being able to breathe properly, right? That's number 1. Number 2 is control the weight. And number 3, our posture or technique needs to be perfected. Hope you're having a great day, whatever part of the world you're in. If you're watching this channel for the first time, welcome to our community. And leave a comment below if you have any questions. Make sure you go to our main website at www.masterinvestor.education. And start learning how to build passive income, learn how to build your own business, find a need in the marketplace that you're passionate about solving, and provide a product or service with a system of systems so that you can depart from the business and start building your passive income and tap into financial freedom and building true wealth, okay? It's all about getting to that freedom lifestyle, right? Taking control over your time, not having anyone telling you what to do, when you need to show up to work. You work if you want to, but you don't have to, because money is working hard for you, okay? We're teaching you the business principles that work in all economies. Right, let me do my second set of this. Ready? You can literally lose weight every single day, as long as you have committed to 15 minutes workout every single day, have a clean diet, meaning that you're eating healthy in all hours of the day. You wake up, you're drinking water, you're also taking everything that you consume into consideration. What type of ingredients does it have? All the foods that you're consuming every day. So take a look at that and then get supplements that help you build step 1 and step 2. Okay? We have recommended many supplements on our other videos. We also do it every single video. Supplements that I personally take and hundreds of thousands of people also take. And we get major results. So check them out. Look at the description below. Go to all the links. Join our community. Go to our main website. Read our blog. Get our book. We have several ebooks that can help you start building passive income, all right, from assets that work in any type of economy. You can also find our latest ebook on Amazon. I'm also going to leave the link below. It's called The 10 New Rules of Money. Let me do my last set right here. remember, you're doing 3 sets of everything. All right. Let's see where else we're gonna go now. All right, here. All right. Last set. Okay, great. All right, let me go. To our next machine. if you can't join a gym, but you don't need to start your daily 15 minutes workout challenge, you can start right from home using your own resources that you have already wherever you reside. You don't need any weight whatsoever. Use your own body weight, okay? That's what I want you to get in your head. Because when we travel, we're on vacation, sometimes we don't have a gym. So we gotta get used to doing exercises that are done with our own body's weight, okay? We're already 11 minutes in, okay? Time goes by so fast. So 15 minutes is not a time where we're going to overwhelm ourselves. So regardless of where you're starting out from, whether you're overweight or you need to gain some weight, 15 minutes per day will get you there, okay? But the trick is to commit to it and then do step number 2 and 3, okay, together. Perfect. All right, we got one more machine to go. I know where. This one right here. Yeah, just a weight. trust me that you will start feeling much better after the first few days of doing this 15 minutes workout challenge, okay? It's amazing how better we feel. Whew. I think I might just keep the weight right there. Okay, this is my last 2 sets and last exercise for the 15 minutes workout challenge. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you find this valuable, then share it in your social media platforms. When you share great content, it becomes a treasure, and people will be thankful, and they'll start linking up with you because your network is built of valuable people. So share it with your associates, family, and friends, okay? Start building a team of successful people around you. Remember that the 5 people that we hang around with every single day, they hold our future. Okay? Build on yourself, invest in yourself, and work on yourself harder than you work at your job. Start building passive income. Don't give your life away to build somebody else's dreams. What are your dreams? What are your passions? What is your purpose? Live through that. We're going to show you exactly how to do that. That's it. All right. I'll see you on the next broadcast. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, bringing you the good and bad news of money, the business principles that work in all economies. Leave your question below. Stay strong. Bye for now. Make sure you stretch, drink a lot of water.